look at Boomerang and Romeo. Such good buddies now. Father and son. It's so dark in here I can't see your face. Say hi, Boomer. I need more light. My overhead's not working. How if I put a spotlight on you guys? There they are. Who's that? Ah, now I see them. Hi, how's the babies? How's my babies? Oh, now we can see his beautiful green eyes. Hi, what an exotic baby he is. You guys hit my remote, so I can't turn on the overhead light. So now we're stuck in the dark here. Here, I'm trying to get some light on those beautiful. Oh, there they are. Look at my beautiful Romeo's eyes. Here. Dude. Hi, sweetie. Oh, and look at that beautiful, beautiful Boomerang. He's just a little lovely dove. Hi, Boomer. Hi, handsome. Are you using little Romeo as a pillow? Is that what you're doing? Oh, they're so cute together. There they are. Daddy and baby. Oh, there they are. Such good babies. Okay, knew that wouldn't last. Hi, Boomer. Say hi, world. I'm still as handsome as ever. Understood.